Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones EDIFIER W830NB. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install the application to enable a lot of features here. Now the first one, these headphones have ANC and more of that. It have two levels of ANC, a medium one and a high one, so I guess it's a cool one. I can't live without ANC, so I like it. Next one, these headphones also have wind reduction, so if you have a wind you can enable it and don't hear it. Next one, these headphones have bass boost. I guess it's classic, so you can enable it also in the application. It's called heavy bass here. And let's go to the next one. These headphones have a few modes and you can swap between them, so it's a music, game and special sound. So if you wanna listen to music, I recommend it to use music or special sound, and if you wanna play a game, I recommend it to use a game mode. Next one, these headphones have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your headphones without disconnecting, without unpairing, just connect two of them. And then the last one, that you can change settings of the voice prompt, so you can change a volume of voice prompt, you can turn off it, you can change a language of voice prompt, so I guess it's a cool one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!